y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this week's video is very exciting because it's perfect when you're going to like a birthday party or you're going to a work gathering and you're trying to make sure that the dish that you're bringing is allergy free. So I am going to show you guys how to make a recipe today that is free of gluten, free of dairy, and free of nuts. But you know what it's not free of? It's not free of taste, okay? So I just need to give a couple disclaimers. I am using a new wave oven to bake these cookies today, so it's a little bit different. I will share what it's like if you bake them in the oven. I'll tell you what degrees it needs to be on and for how long to cook it. And then also, I just need to give a disclaimer that because it's nut-free, I'll be using sun butter made from sunflower seeds. So when you open the cookies, do not be alarmed because the cookies will be green on the inside. But if you are serving these to children, it's really fun for them. So that's just an added bonus. All right, you already know what I'm gonna say. That before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Right, the first thing you're gonna do is add your rice flour. We'll be using a total of 2.5 cups. To the flour, you're gonna add some baking soda, followed by some cinnamon, a little salt, and then you'll give all of your dry ingredients a good mix. For our wet ingredients, we are going to have some 100% maple syrup. This is vegan, and you're going to use 3/4 cup of that. For our oil, we're going to be using some sun butter, and this also makes the recipe nut-free. So you'll mix those together. And then add in a little bit of vanilla extract for flavor before combining your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients. Now let me just keep it all the way 100 with y'all that this did not marry together as I intended. It seemed like there was more flour, so it kind of gave me a biscuit-like texture, but we decided to still work with it. I'm going to show you what this first batch looks like. So I've rolled it into about a tablespoon size. The temperature is 350 degrees for a total of 13 minutes. And if you're using a new wave, you'll need to make sure that the new wave is vented. So here's me going in for the remaining time. Okay, here's the second batch that I'm going to try to redo. Coconut oil, another tablespoon of some butter, and then I made a slurry of brown sugar and water that I'm going to mix in there to just try to get the texture to be a little bit more wet. For some extra flavor, we're going to add in some mini vegan chocolate chips. I did take them out to an event and they were enjoyed, so be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section below.